Hello everybody, welcome to Jacqueline Marie Living and Jacqueline Marie, and on today's episode we're going to be making a wreath for Memorial Day or also for 4th of July. It can be used for dual purposes. So I got some supplies at the dollar store, this beautiful Deco mesh. Also I found a beautiful ribbon with red, white and blue stars and a beautiful flowers at Michael's. I love these red poppies. I couldn't resist buying them. So let's go ahead and start it. I'm going to use the wire wreath. It's pretty big because I want a substantial wreath to put at the front door. And then I'm going to cut the deco mesh to wrap it around the wreath. I'm going to also add some ribbon in between of them. So I think it's going to look great. So I'm going to start cutting the deco mesh like the same way that I cut it on for my St. Patrick's Day wreath video. So I'm going to cut the deco mesh, tie it in the center, and then tie it on the wreath this way with this kind of a wire. So let's go ahead and do that. If you're a subscriber, thank you for stopping by. If you're a new visitor, welcome to my channel. Please also put in the comment below if you enjoy doing wreaths. I started many years ago doing wreaths when my kids were little, and I absolutely got hooked into it. I have never taken floral classes. As a matter of fact, my background professionally is in medical science. But by watching videos and looking at a lot of Pinterest, I got ideas, and I, got better and better at doing this. I'm putting 3 rows of deco mesh and then I put a ribbon in between. You keep repeating the same steps until all the wire is covered with deco mesh. Now that I have half of the deco mesh done, I'm going to put the flowers on the area that I already had deco mesh, and I'm going to position them to see how they look before I glue on them. I bought red, white and blue flowers to complement with the deco mesh, but the blue flower that I got, the tone is a little bit pale than the one in the deco mesh, so it makes some contrast. After I check that the flowers look okay in the position that I want to put them, I'm going to continue putting the deco mesh all around the wire wreath. We're almost done putting all the deco mesh and the ribbon, and it's already looking great. Now that the deco mesh is all around the wreath, I'm going around and trimming the ribbon. The contrast of the red, white and blue deco mesh with the stars on the ribbon looks great. If you want a simple wreath, you don't need to put the flowers at all. I'm using the glue gun to put the flowers in place. I really like how the poppies look on the wreath. They have a beautiful red color. I'm going to put the rest of the flowers on the other side of the wreath. Now I'm going to put some of the leaves between the flowers. I absolutely love the contrast of the flowers and the deco mesh. And now we have one more thing to put the sign in the center of the wreath. I got this sign at the dollar store and the colors will complement beautifully with the wreath. I'm going to use floral wire to hang the sign on the wreath. And there you have it, a beautiful wreath that you can use either on Memorial Day or the 4th of July, made on a budget. I think I spent about $23. I hope that you enjoyed this easy do-it-yourself craft and you come back again to see my video that I'm preparing for the decorating the porch using this beautiful wreath. I'm Jacqueline Marie and I hope to see you next time in Jacqueline Marie Living. See you then.